demonstrating how to exchange the tungsten lamp and the Deuterium D2-lamp, which are placed inside the spectrophotometer. First of all, you need the right tools, which are crosshead screwdrivers and a cotton glove to prevent fingerprints getting onto the lamp. You need to switch off the instrument, plug it out, and wait for at least 20 minutes to let it cool down to prevent any burns. After that, you can take out the cell holder rod and then take out the 4 screws, 2 on each side of the instrument. So then you take off the 4 screws of the light chamber to take it off. Then you need to loosen the screws on the Deuterium D2-lamp and plug it out, and remember to wear cotton gloves to prevent dirt or fingerprints getting onto the lamp. So then you need to take out the lamp and put in the new lamp and plug it back in, tighten the screws and fix it into the right position. After you exchange the D2 lamp, you can now pull the tungsten lamp from its holder and insert the new one, and be sure that the mirror is folded upwards like this. To adjust the position for the tungsten lamp, you need to take these 2 screws to adjust it from the left to the right. And if you want to adjust the height of the tungsten lamp, you need to adjust these 2 screws so that the light path will directly go into the slit of the spectrophotometer. Also be sure that you fasten the screws after you're done with this. So finally, you have to put the light chamber over the lamps again, tighten the screws, and afterwards you put the housing back over the instrument, tighten the screws again. Then you need to put the cell holder rod back in, switch on the instrument and wait for at least 20 minutes for it to heat up. When you go into the system menu, you can always check the hours of usage of the lamps. And after you exchange the lamps, you can also reset the hours of usage of the lamps so that they will be resetted to 0 hours of usage. So finally, we have 3 tips for you. The first one is that you should always wear cotton gloves to prevent fingerprints or dirt getting onto the lamp. The second tip is to check the hours of usage of both lamps to ensure high efficiency. And the third tip is that after an exchange of lamps, it is advisable to check the photometric and wavelength accuracy with the EMC set 100, as we were demonstrating in a previous video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask away in the comments, and we would be very happy if you subscribe our channel.